Hey, welcome to the channel where we show you how to put some prep in your step. Today we've just got a really quick tip for you, and that's how to use data roles in Tableau Prep. So let's dive into it. All right, so I've connected to this mock data file. It's just a couple of city names that I want to clean up. And so I'm going to create a clean step here. And you can see everything's pretty messy in here, a bunch of misspelled names, but I know that this is supposed to be a city field. So what I can go do is I can click right here and go to the data roles section. And so this is a list of roles that follow a predetermined list of what these values should be. So if I click city here, so that quickly identifies the rows that aren't valid. And so I can do a few things here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to group values, and I'm going to group them by pronunciation and spelling to see how well that does. Okay, so it got a few of those, so we can see it grouped some of the Dallas rows, and it changed this New York value to be correctly. It was originally spelled with a 0, now it's spelled correctly. So now I can take this one step further, and I can group by manual selection, because now I can clearly see the incorrect rows. So I'll click on the valid one and group in the incorrect rows, and I'll do the same thing for Dallas. And then I'll do the same thing for New York. And there you go. That was a quick and easy way to clean up my data set using a data role. Another cool thing about the data roles is whenever you're starting to work within your organization, if you have specific fields of the data that should always be the same, you can publish a field as a data role. So you can, for example, I work with a job type field. So I can take that field and publish it as a data role to my server, and then use that in future analysis to clean up any records in that field that shouldn't be there. So just a real quick tip on other things to do with inside Tableau Prep. If you are looking for some more specific use cases, let me know, leave some comments and feedback, and I hope to see you in the next one.